1, go!
Qualification match number 23 underway as the Bots move off of their starting line. They gain 3 points apiece. As they score on the reef, they can get anywhere from 3 to 7 points depending on where they place that coral. Coming out of autonomous, the Red Alliance is leading with 23-12 as the human players now take control for 2 minutes and 15 seconds. The Blue Alliance scoring coral high atop the reef worth 5 as the disc bots place a piece of algae into the net on top of the barge for 4 points. It's tied up right now with 1:57 left to go as 24-15. The Wildcats process algae through the side for 6 on the Red Alliance, on the Blue Alliance. The Red Alliance picks up the algae, places it into the net for 4 points. As it's now 48 for the Blue, 47 for the Red with 1:39 left to go. The disc bots, 60-23 with Saquon Botley at the reef, pulling the algae off, headed towards the barge. No, they leave it on the ocean floor to pick up later as 63-40 is at the reef alongside a 51-09, placing their coral high. 10-point swing right there for the Blue Alliance as it's now 63-59 as they take the lead over the Red Alliance. It's now tied up, but no, the Blue Alliance moves ahead. Both alliances gaining the coral ranking as they've scored 24-15. Processing another piece of algae for 6 points on the Blue Alliance as the Red Alliance places the processed algae into the net for 4. It's 94 for the Red and 80 for the Blue with 53 seconds left to go. It's 60-23. The disc bots has coral in their possession heading towards the reef, raising their arm high up in the air. They lose control of the coral. It falls down to the ocean floor. 63-40, placing the coral high atop the reef for 5 points is 24-15. The Wildcats studying the ocean currents. 60-23. The disc bots scoring another 4 points for the Red Alliance in the net atop the barge. 69-19. The Commodores, they're dancing around the coral reef right now at 60-23 with under 20 seconds to go. Has algae in their possession. They're at the barge zone alongside of Oscar. There go the Commodores up underneath the barge as well as 60-23 is outside. Looking in as 8:32 Oscar lifts themselves up off the ocean floor. So does 63-44 the Blue Alliance, but they must remain up off of the ocean floor at the end of the match in order for the 12 points to count. If they can gain more than 14 points underneath the barge during the end game, they can gain a valuable ranking point. We'll see how that plays out when the fish are left to swim again on the reef in just a moment. Here's the results in that last match. Match number 23 has the Blue Alliance fish swimming strongly on the newly built reef with a score of 123-112 over the Red Alliance. All right, you see the Blue Alliance was able to gain 3 ranking points for the victory.